Hi there, for today's video we are using the LiitoKala Li500s. We purchased the 18650 rechargeable battery from a legitimate online shop, with good feedback. Lishen 2500 mAh 3C. Then switch from charge to test mode to start the capacity test. Enook 3600 mAh 35 ampere. Then switch from charge to test mode to start the capacity test. Genuine Code is a service that prevents brand imitation and disruption. I'll check it out later on their website. Toha 2200 mAh. Then switch from charge to test mode to start the capacity test. Cylaid also has Genuine Code. I'll check it out later on their website. Cylaid Blue 2600 mAh 40 ampere. Then switch from charge to test mode to start the capacity test. Leave it for the moment. 12 hours later, the 18650 battery completed the test. Enook 3600 mAh obtained 1601 mAh. And Cylaid Blue 2600 mAh obtained 1447 mAh. Because the Enook 3600 mAh only received 1601 mAh, we will test the second Enook and see how it performs. Then switch from charge to test mode to start the capacity test. And the Cylaid Blue 2600 mAh only received 1447 mAh. We will test the second Cylaid and see how it performs. Then switch from charge to test mode to start the capacity test. 3 hours later, the Toha battery completed the test. Toha 2200 mAh. Obtained 2035 mAh, not bad. Something wrong with this Cylaid battery. I tried the battery in the third slot, but the red light is blinking. Oh, the red light is flickering on the fourth slot. I received a defective Cylaid battery. Leave it for the moment. 18 hours later, the Lishen 2500 mAh battery completed the test. And it has a capacity of 2494 mAh. A few hours later, the final battery finished the test, and the Enook 3600 mAh received just 1684 mAh. Thank you for viewing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.